बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ all about ideas. Signing in. So guys, I am going to share with you a most beautiful and incredible, attractive and very beautiful old denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are best and very unique denim jeans recycling ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these recycling ideas. I personally enjoyed these type of recycling craft ideas because these are very beautiful and very unique ideas to store things at your homes. That's why I share with you all. So guys, always take care of yourself. Keep me in your prayers. These are very beautiful and very amazing denim jeans recycling ideas. So viewers, these are very pretty collection for you. You must try at your homes. If you don't know about how to make these type of denim jeans recycling ideas, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these denim jeans ideas. So viewers, I hope so you like these denim jeans recycling ideas, and if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section, and also you must tell me in the comment section about how much you like these denim jeans recycling craft ideas. So viewers, subscribe for more details and for more notification, and you must hit the bell icon. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique denim jeans recycling ideas. Always keep me in your prayers and you must watch other craft videos on my channel about pebble making and different on. So viewers, hope so you like this video. You must try these wall hanging ideas and so on. So guys, you must make these art and you must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like these craft work, or is it useful for you or not. And I am very glad to see you all, and I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And enjoy your life, because this is your life, not others. And you also share this video with your friends and with your family members, because these are very beautiful and very amazing ideas. So guys, think positive, take care, Allah Hafiz guys, keep me in your prayers.